Now that I've made my purchases, I thought it was time for me to tell you about the Crunchyroll sale. If you want to know more, just go to this Instagram. I'm putting the photo right here. It started on Wednesday, September 6th, and it's 7 days, and so Wednesday, September 13th is when it should end. I don't know exactly what times. Everything is 30% off, which means Danmeis are $13.99. What a steal. I got Remnants of Filth Volume 1 and 4 because I was missing them. Ballad of Sworn and Wine Volume 1, thanks to you, Jen. I trust your recommendation. And then Jujutsu Kaisen Volume 21, which I was missing, and I pre-ordered 24 because 22 and 23 were already sold out. Scum Saving Volume 2 is already sold out. So, if you want stuff, go get it. If you're a premium member, there might be additional discounts, but I love to share a good sale with you all. So, enjoy.